What's going, guys? Chandler from EzStocks here. Come back at you with another video. Today we are going over some of our favorite stocks for this week and going into next week here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. We're looking at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Personally, I've been loving this little flat line. It's been holding up at $900. I guess if you really like pull it in, you can see it's had pretty good waves. But basically he's been staying pretty consistent around like $840 on average here. But what I want to focus on is this little like dip below. So recently it just dropped below $800. It dropped down to around $790 and then quickly ate itself back up because everybody loves Tesla. And it's currently back on the downtrend right now. So my personal play, what I've been doing is sold put credit spreads. So selling it right below this at the $790 price. I think it's been getting around 20 to 25% returns. So I've been making about $100 in commissions, and I'm risking about $500. So that's a 20% return, which 20% in a week is pretty spicy for me, and it's really safe in my opinion. Obviously, if you lose, you're gonna lose around 4 times your money there, but if Tesla continues to drop, which right now it seems like it's going down, it is catching that, getting close to that support line, or at least where it's been typically bouncing back up. Again, it's been fluctuating a little bit every time, but around the $830 range is where it's at. And right now, if we go to that 1 day time frame, you can see right now it's around $836. So we still have a couple more dollars to drop here, and by the time I upload it, it's probably going to find its bottom for today. Again, I just personally bought some put credit spreads on there, but if you're looking just to buy it and hold it, get around that $860-ish range to get out. It'll make you a quick couple bucks. All right, guys, so our next stock here we're going to be looking at is AT&T, ticker symbol T. This stock doesn't move too much. It's more or less as a dividend stock, but right now is a pretty good time to buy in. If we go to that 1 year chart, or I guess the 5 year chart, you can see we're pretty low. All-time highs near around $40, and we're about almost half that at $28. But again, if we go on that 1 month view, you can see that it's had a pretty good run up to $30, and right now it's sitting at its bottom. It seems like it's getting ready to go back up. As of right now, it's building a little bit of volume momentum, as well as just everything is pointing to a little bit of a rise up. It's been holding that price for a while now, consolidating down, not really fluctuating up and down too much. But what I've been doing on this one, again, put credit spreads, this one doesn't have that much of a return just because it's not very volatile. I've been selling the $28 and then the $27.50 just to make that quick little buck. But if you are looking for a very cheap option play, you can probably buy that $29 call and hit and hopefully get it up to $29.50, somewhere in that range, and just make a quick buck because they're really cheap. I think they're only like $12 for a contract or something, like 2 weeks out, so 2-3 weeks out. So it's honestly really cheap. If you just wanted to hold it and buy shares, again, right now is a pretty good time. You could at least hold it till that $29.50. Again, it's not a huge play, but if you have a lot of volume in there, you can make it end as well. If you want to hold it for a long term, you can collect that dividend as well. All right, and the last stock we're going to be looking at, again, is NVDA, ticker symbol NVDA. This has been one of my favorite stocks just to play off it. It's been very predictable as of right now. Seems to be peaking around that $560, and it drops down to around $515 every time. And I'll buy here, sell there, and it's as easy as that. If we even draw it out, you can see it's been holding this support line for months now. About 4 months it's been holding this, and it's been pretty strong. So even if you miss it and it drops down to, let's say, 503 like it did, because it did break through that support line, you can just hold it a little while longer. It's going to bounce up again. This is a lot of technical analysis, not more or less like company P/E ratios or anything like that, but that's the kind of trader I am, so this is what I'm looking for. This is volatile too, so you can get a lot of commission off of it. If you're selling put credit spreads, again, you can sell them here or buy calls whenever it hits that $515 range. Hold it till it hits the 560 or 540, whatever you want to hold it to. That's why I've been doing it, and it's been just churning me out money. This has been like my bread and butter so far. NVIDIA, honestly, I could probably buy some puts right now. I like to wait, though, personally, for it to drop down. It seems more safe that it is going to bounce back up than it is going to drop, because sometimes it holds it a little bit longer up at these top of the troughs. So anyways, those are going to be my top 3 stocks of the week. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Leave a like down. It also helps me out so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.